Virus security, it's trivial at times, but you do have some kind of a virus scanning mechanism on your machine. So in my case, I should have Windows security, Defender. Okay. Exceptions. Maybe I did not have anything, which would be pretty bad. Okay, well, that's right. So you do have some kind of virus scanning protocol. So in my case, this is not a server I use. This is just for today. So apparently I did not have anything active. But in Windows Server 2016, at least, I know you do have the Windows security options always. It is good to create exceptions on that. So the exceptions to create would be for program files, Tableau Server, this file, so program files, Tableau Server, and program data, Tableau Server. So these two folders, it's good to create exceptions for that. The reason being that it's constantly writing. Tableau is constantly writing and reading stuff from these locations. So it just gets too much if you keep it running all the time. If it's constantly scanning this and it sees these constant changes, it's just going to run it over and over again. So it's good to just remove that to make sure that there is nothing running, to make sure that the scanning is not taking place constantly. And something I did mention earlier, if you do create a custom location, so right now, as you said, I use the default location. So you created Tableau Server and program files, and the data is stored in this hidden folder, program data Tableau. If you install Tableau Server in a custom location, so let's say I don't have a D drive, but I have a new folder here, C Tableau. If you create it here, then Tableau will install all the files for program files and program data right here. So that is just how it does it. It just doesn't create this program data difference, but just puts it all in one folder. So if that is the case, then that is the folder you need to give virus scanning exceptions to. And the last point, post-installation task, is about giving custom run as user access. So if you have a custom run as user, so you use domain at example user, whatever, then give that user access to these same locations, to program data and program files. Tableau has detailed documentation on this. Usually it's read access, read and modify, not execute, but read and modify access on most of these locations. But there's a detailed documentation you can find on Tableau's website about this. And you need to have that for this run as user.